What's up, my crypto legends? In this episode, we are taking a look at the Bitcoin price on the 1 hourly chart. We did talk about these massive bullish divergence on the 1 hourly. Okay, we were creating lower lows and higher lows on the RSI. We broke out from this descending wedge. It looks like they were forming a W pattern here, double bottom. We wanted to break the 32,000 with a nice green candle with some nice volume. We did not do that. It was just a little bit of choppy price action. So we'll be taking a look at Bitcoin to see where we could potentially go in the immediate short term. Remember, we are bouncing from this massive support trend line from this descending channel, as you can see right over here. We'll be taking a look at Bitcoin, also at Ethereum, because Ethereum is forming a descending wedge. Okay, as you can see here, we do have some bullish divergence right over here on the RSI on the 4 hourly. We'll be taking a look at the 1 hourly also to see if we are going to break to the upside. If we do break out, I'm going to give you my target. If we break down, I will tell you where we could potentially go in the short term. Remember, if you are interested in trading, make sure to check out the PrimeXbt trading platform. If you use my link in the description and Bitcoinsensus 50 as the promotion code, you're getting 50% added on whatever you deposit up to 1 Bitcoin. You'll be getting 0.5 Bitcoin to trade with, guys. Also, my favorite swing trading platform is Bybit because of the fees. If you use my link in the description, you can get up to $600 worth of a bonus. Said this, let's go straight into the chart. Hello there, Andy here. Welcome back to Bitcoinsensus for your daily Bitcoin and crypto technical analysis. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. I also do live streams to connect with the community. And also, I need a favor here. Make sure to smash up the like button. I am not a financial advisor. Don't buy, sell anything that I say. If you do so, do your own research. Let's go straight into the video. All right, guys, here taking a look at Bitcoin on the 1 hourly chart. It seems like that we did get here a kind of fake out, a little bit of choppiness right over here. We do have some major resistance around the $32,300 area. Also, we have a lot of choppiness right over here, and we can also see some support right over there, and also a lot of support here and here. So it's going to be we need a clear breakout from the $32,000 area, not something like this what happened yesterday. We just saw a little bit of choppiness. We went all the way to the $32,200 approximately, and then came straight back in. We want to see a nice clear green breakout, you know, a candle like this or a candle like this, so we can see the power of the movement with some volume, potentially something like this. That was not the case from this small kind of fake out price action. So yeah, that was not valid. Now let's take a look at what could potentially happen in the next hours and days, because we can see we do have, zooming out here on the 4 hourly chart, we are still here in this descending channel, or yeah, I would say more of a descending channel instead of a wedge. We have massive support here from this downtrend of these lower highs, and also these lower lows here creating this massive support. If you tell me, I think where it is very likely that we might get a bounce from here instead of breaking down, but I will give you the both scenarios. If we do break this support range, it could get pretty messy for Bitcoin. But we have seen so many fake outs, so many traps before here on the chart. I wouldn't short this potential breakup because it also could be a bear trap. Yeah, if we do break out from here, then we could come as low as $28,000. It is the measured move from the width here of the channel. You know, the breakout of a channel, the measured move is the width of the channel, okay? And from the breakout, yeah, we could go as low as $28,000 region for this breakout of the support. But if we zoom in here on the 1 hourly chart, what we can see right now is that we are having a kind of inverse head and shoulder formation right over here. As you can see, there is not a clear neckline, but you could arguably discuss that, yeah, if we did manage to break 32,000 here nicely, then yeah, you could discuss that the measured move from the head to the neckline can take us all the way up to the almost $33,000 region. All right, this is where we're going to get some massive rejection. This is also where we've had some massive support and resistance, as you can see right over here on the chart. We got supported here resistance right over there. This is exactly the $32,800 region. So it would make sense. This would be the target from the breakout of the $32,000. Coming all the way up to $32,800, just below $33,000. It does make sense because it looks like that the price is losing a little bit of steam here. You know, the right here shoulder is making a higher low. So yeah, it does look like we are going to have a small turnover. So this is what I got for Bitcoin. The bullish case scenario for a trade would be breaking clearly this neckline. If we do have a clear breakout, try and get back into the retracement and exiting almost at the $33,000. A bearish case scenario, I wouldn't trust if we do have a breakout for a trade, because we've had so many fake outs here below the $31,000. We do know it's a major region, so I think there is going to be a massive bounce if we do break these levels. It is the weekend. We are going to wait here till Sunday and Monday. I am going to do a live stream tomorrow, so make sure to subscribe to the channel. I'll be doing a few hour live stream tomorrow to see what we can expect for Monday. But anyway, this is the bullish case for Bitcoin here in the short term. The bullish divergence are actually playing out here. It's good. Price is going sideways and a little bit to the upside. So yeah, I think the pump scenario in the short term is more likely than the dump. But if we do crash, I mean, I wouldn't short this. We've had seen a lot of traps, as you can see here on the price, bouncing straight back up. If you're willing to trade any opportunity in the crypto market, check out the PrimeXbt trading platform using my link in the description and Bitcoinsensus 50 as the promotion code. You're getting 50% on top of what you deposit. You cannot withdraw the bonus. It is used for buying power. I'm getting a small commission. You getting the best bonus. If you do not know how to trade on PrimeXbt, there's a tutorial down below in the description. Now, let's take a look at Ethereum, because Ethereum is looking very, very nice here. By looking at Ethereum, the things are looking a little bit more bullish. That's why I do think that a bounce here is very, very likely for Bitcoin, because we are bouncing from the support of the channel. And also I do see, you know, the price losing here a little bit of momentum, creating like a inverse head and shoulder scenario. Taking a look at Ethereum, we are forming this massive descending wedge. We are getting supported nicely around about the $1,880 range. Okay, a lot of fake outs, a lot of choppiness around this area. It has been heavy resistance and support in the past, as you can see right over here. That's why I have this, you know, pink horizontal box. We want to see a clear breakout when you want to trade. Yesterday we were talking about if we do have a severe drop all the way down to the 1,800, you know, with some nice volume, this can be traded as a resistance down here to retest the bottom. But if we just having some choppiness action, you know, we can clearly see that this is major support. We are creating lower lows here slightly, and this is creating like a descending wedge formation, which is a bullish pattern. We can also see on the 1 hourly there are some bullish divergence, but on the 4 hourly even stronger bullish divergence right over here. As you can see, the price making lower lows and the RSI making higher lows. All right, everybody's I see a lot of people mentioning if Bitcoin doesn't go up, Ethereum is not going to go up. Well, Ethereum has got about almost half of Bitcoin's market cap. Okay, it is a pretty high market capitalization too, so sometimes Ethereum does lead the way for Bitcoin also, guys. I mean, maybe 80% of the chances Bitcoin does lead the way, but sometimes Ethereum can make a move before Bitcoin, and this is looking pretty bullish in my opinion. If we do break this resistance point, let's still go to the 1 hourly so you can clearly see this wedge. This should take us to about the $2,000 region, which is the top here of the wedge. So a clear breakout here with some volume can take us to the $2,000 area. The resistance point right now is at about 1,900. So we want to have a nice clean breakout with some volume. All right, something like this or something like this. Potentially if it's higher, even better. This is going to confirm the movement to the upside. So this would be the bullish case scenario. If we do manage to break the support range down over here at the $1,840, I think a potential leg down just below the 1,800, we are going to get some good support here. It has been support right over here and resistance on the chart, as you can see. So yeah, I think yeah, this is very much look like it wants to reverse from here. This is an extreme bullish pattern, especially we do have the bullish divergence on the 4-hourly. So if you ask me, it is more likely to break to the upside, meeting almost the $2,000, then breaking to the downside, meeting below the $1,800. It is the weekend, guys. Be careful with trading in the weekend. A lot of choppiness, a lot of fake volume out there. So yeah, stay safe. This is going to be it for today's episode. If you haven't checked out the Bitcoinsensus website, we've got the latest news, technical analysis, we've got exchange reviews, so you can check it out where the best bonus and fees are. We have guides on how to buy Bitcoin, how to store it. We have all sorts here, totally free. The link is in the description. And if you haven't seen my PrimeXbt or my Bybit tutorial to learn how to trade, there's a video popping up on the screen. Thank you guys for joining in, and I'll see you tomorrow.